I'm Kyler, and today I'm going to show you guys how to attach your SnowStorm BLAST to our tractor here. So on this tractor we have a KAGE Under-Hitch, which is our universal front 3-point system. So this BLAST right now is hooked up as a category 2 3-point hitch. We can also put a loader quick attach on here and bucket mounts. So we have our plow set on the ground. What we're gonna do here is just loosen up our top link, or actually in this case tighten it. And we'll pull our pin out. Next we're gonna unlock our pin latches. So you're gonna pull these pins out and then put the pin in the upper position here, and that'll unlock it. Same thing on the other side. And after that, all you do is lower your arms and back out. Now that we have our arms up into those pins, we're gonna go ahead and relocate these latch pins and then lock this on. So you're gonna put these in the lower hole. Now I'll put our top link in place. So one thing to note when installing your top link is you'll see that on our under-hitch here we have these 4 different holes here. So what these do is they adjust the pitch of your plow when you pick up. So right now our top link's in this topmost hole. What that's gonna do is when we pick our plow up, it's gonna stay level. So it's not gonna tip back at all, it's just gonna stay level when it goes up. If you go all the way to the bottom hole, it's gonna tip back a ton when you go up. So we wanted to tip back a little bit, so I'm just gonna go in the 3rd hole down, and that'll give us a nice tip back when we go up for a little bit of stacking benefit.